Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Comfort Inn Suites Lakewood by JBLM. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free parking and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. Comfort Inn Suites Lakewood by JBLM is located in Lakewood, 10 miles from Tacoma Dome and 10 miles from University of Washington Tacoma. The property is around 10 miles from Museum of Glass, 21 miles from Hands-on Children's Museum and 5.1 miles from Pacific Lutheran University. The property provides a fitness center, free Wi-Fi throughout the property and a 24-hour front desk. At the hotel, each room has air conditioning, a seating area, a flat-screen TV with cable channels, a safety deposit box and a private bathroom with a bath or shower, a hairdryer and free toiletries. Selected rooms are equipped with a kitchenette with a microwave and a fridge. At Comfort Inn Suites Lakewood by JBLM, all rooms are equipped with bed linen and towels. The accommodation offers a continental or American breakfast. A business center and vending machines with drinks and snacks are available on site at Comfort Inn Suites Lakewood by JBLM. Tacoma Municipal Court is 11 miles from the hotel, while University of Puget Sound is 11 miles away. The nearest airport is Seattle-Tacoma International Airport, 30 miles from Comfort Inn Suites Lakewood by JBLM. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.